Before I proceed with this video of showing you the different role in Business Manager, let me just share with you why I decided to make this video. There's this scam that's been going around where this person pretended to be as someone that's working in a reputable media company. For example, what happened to my girlfriend is a guy or a lady, we do not know because they do not post their actual pictures, say that he's working for BuzzFeed. And the thing is, she's saying that for every post that you put in your page, our article, I'll pay you a certain amount of money. Look, this could be legit. I mean, it could be that BuzzFeed or any other media company is trying to push the article to bring up their rating score in SEO, so that's why they're asking more people post it so that a lot of people can see it, because the page that my girlfriend handled at the time have quite a big following. Now that's the problem on this. The problem on this is when we check further on this person's profile, you see that he, although it's written there working in BuzzFeed, I mean, I think it's quite easy. You just write where you work and then you just put the company, immediately it's already shown that you're working for that company. So it is real or not, we do not know. And then we check the addresses, everything is supposed to be, it does not tally, right? And the profile have no real pictures, and it's a lot of pictures from a lot of friends that is not, that is a bit weird, you know. So we at first they wanted to proceed because, well, at this time having a bit of income to post in the page and then get money for every posting is not a bad deal, right? And after that, what happened was this guy or this person asked for the Facebook page access, and not only that, they asked to transfer the Facebook page into their Business Manager account. Let's just tell you that this is a red flag, because your page is supposed to be under your account or under your Business Manager account, so it belongs to you. If you were to give the transfer over there, that means the page, which is full, which is like 20-30,000 following, will belong to someone else. It does not belong to someone else, but if they will have a full access to it, and they can just easily kick you out, then change the admin, change the page name and sell it to someone else, right? Because they already have a following. So this is very dangerous. And the thing is, they wanted all this done without paying a single cent. You get what I mean? That means they have not give any upfront payment. There's no contract available. We don't even know this person is real or not working there, or this person is actually real or not. And okay, they do reply, but we're not sure whether the name is right or not. So at the end of the day, we decided not to proceed. And luckily that they didn't, because if it happened, most probably the page will belong to someone else already. And so that's the reason why I would like to go on with this video, and just to let you all know that it is very important to know your page roles inside your page. Admin, finance, editor, all these things are very important, because in posting post, all you need is just editor access. For example, if you were to have that person inside your page, if you directly give access in the page role inside page. But today I'm going to be sharing more about Business Manager, because what they have, the procedure is they have a business page, the Business Manager, right? And they wanted the page to be inside their Business Manager, which is not right, because the page is already under someone else's Business Manager, which is the company's Business Manager. And okay, and that's the reason why if you will transfer, give that full access to the Business Manager, those things that I mentioned could happen. You might lose the page, all for the sake of just making the additional few dollars. It's not little as well. It's quite a substantial amount, but it hook you in. Just be careful. Be aware of your roles, and be aware that this page belongs to you. Okay, it's a long story time. Now let's just jump into the video, so that at least you know that what you will do in case you encounter this problem. So assuming you have this page, right, and you wanted to get someone else, for example, to post or to be inside this page. So I've put this page inside Business Manager already. If you have not, if you do not know how to put all this in Business Manager, you can check in my video in the description box. So I have a full-length video about Business Manager and how to do it. So this one is just for you, just a reminder that this scam can be happening. Imagine someone come to you and they say they want the page, and you want to hire an agency to do it. Just be careful how you do it, right? So now I already put it into Business Manager, so it is in this Business Manager. So this Business Manager, as you can see, the pages is scanned to you, and the other one you can just ignore. and this is my business manager, right? And I put myself inside it, people as admin access. So when you have admin access, you can do a lot of things into the page, and you can change the what do you say, the description, basically the admin access to the page, which we do not want that to happen, because when you hire someone else, you still want the page to belong to you, because this is all your assets. It is all your business assets. You will not put, for example, if you have a physical store, you will not put someone else's name inside there unless you trust them very much, unless it's written in a contract that everything belongs to you at the end of the day. If not, do not do that. So usually when I work with clients, yes, I will want an admin access because it will be faster for me to do all the changes. Comparing to them, you know, when I ask for access, sometimes they take very long. For example, I want to change certain settings, then they will like take their time. If I have access, I can do everything much faster. However, we have an understanding. Sometimes we sign the contract, the NDA, and all this information all belongs to them, does not belong to me. And I think it seems trustworthy enough, and so far they have been doing that with me. However, just be careful that not all is ethical, and if you feel that you need their help but you still don't trust them, so this is what you should do. You should have them as partners in your business manager. So for example, I will send you some links as well about partners in business manager. So this is when you work with agency or consultant, so you can add them as a partner, so partner can see the asset that you share with them in business manager. So what does this mean? This means that they can see and access the assets. They can only see like the assets as in page pictures, image, everything. And also you can change some minor settings if you got the admin access, but you cannot change the rules. There's a few limitations which I cannot really remember, but the thing is, it is safe. The page is still belonging to you, right? And they're not able to change the access. They cannot change you to someone else if they come in as partner. So that's one thing that keep you safe, right? Same as well, if you're a consultant, if they were to put you as partners, you will be safe. You still be able to access all their page, all their ad account, etc. if they will give you access. But the thing is, you are not able to take it out, right? And that's it. So so how to change someone roles in like business manager? You just have to go to business settings. I'll just show you later, users, pages, etc. and to get it done, right? It is a straightforward thing, but I just want to show you that this video is long not because the work itself is hard, but because the awareness of the business manager is very important. That is why I've been stressing about this so much, on knowing the roles and the things about business manager, right? So when you go to here, usually you add people here, right? So I got two, and then you add people here, and then you give them assets here, right? Another way you can do it is go to partners. So as I mentioned, partners are a safer way. If a consultant don't have a business manager on his own, sometimes you just feel like, you know, you're a Facebook consultant. The only way that if I go to bypass business manager is when my clients do not have a business manager, then I'll bypass this step, because sometimes I just want to get started faster, and then I'll create everything for them, right? But however, if you were like a B2B business, a big business, and you're dealing with agency, it's better to have the agency to have a business manager so that you can properly assign assets correctly. So it's very easy. You just go to business settings, right? You open your business account, business manager, you go to business settings, then you go to partners. You go to partners to share assets with. So for example, you have a few pages, few ad accounts, you want to add them here, then you just get the partner business ID. I'm going to show you how you're going to get it, right? If you want to work with other people, you can request as well. So for example, you're working with another business, they have their own business manager, so you want access to their business manager so that they can give you the assets. It's exchanging of assets. So you can add here, and then you can get started, and then you just have to find all those information, right? Their name, their email address, etc. Okay, so to add, so like as you can see, the common denominator here is that Facebook business ID. Where do you get it? So all you have to do is just go to business info, and the business manager ID is here. So you can just take this ID and put it there, right? I don't mind showing you this ID because this business manager can be counted dead already. All my account is all blocked because I have not run ads for a long time. So anyway, this is how you do it. So another, just an awareness video this is actually quite easy to fix. Not easy to fix, I mean it's easy thing to do, but a lot of people do not know about this. So when you deal with other people, just be careful. Be careful of this scam that's going around. Do not simply give access to other people that you don't know, don't trust. And I hope you learned something from here. I hope this sharing is beneficial for you. And if you like what I share, do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I look forward to see you in my next video. Goodbye.